Hi there, welcome to Mr. Meal's Music. I'm Anthony Meal. It's time to learn how to play the song Knock the Cymbals. Before we start playing the game, I usually have the kids really know the song. We break down the form of the song, that the form is A, then B, then A, then C. Knock the cymbals, do-oh-do, knock the cymbals, do-oh-do, knock the cymbals, do-oh-do, hello Susan Brown. Once they realize there's an A section and another A section, that's going to be helpful later on in the song. Once the kids know how to sing the song, have them keep a micro beat on their legs like this. Knock the cymbals, do-oh-do, knock the cymbals, do-oh-do. Once they can feel that micro beat, then have them march around the room to that micro beat, stopping on do-oh-do to clap, so like this. Knock the cymbals, do-oh-do, knock the cymbals, do-oh-do, knock the cymbals, do-oh-do, hello Susan Brown. So as you notice, you wouldn't clap 3 times on the C section, you would clap just once after Susan Brown. Hello Susan Brown. Once they're able to move appropriately to that beat, I have them partner up. So once they're with a partner, they would have their hands joined like this, and then I have them take 4 steps backwards. So they go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we start the song again, so they're marching towards each other and they have the right amount of space to march those 4 beats without crashing into each other. So it would look like this. Knock the cymbals, do-oh-do, knock the cymbals, do-oh-do, knock the cymbals, do-oh-do, hello Susan Brown. Once the groups of 2 were able to do this, then I have those groups of 2 find another group of 2, and they're going to make a group of 4. And the original partners will stand across from each other, and the other partners will stand across from each other. So they're making a square, but it's also kind of going to be an X later on. This is where knowing the form of the song is very helpful. So I'll typically have the partner group that is facing one way in the room, so maybe facing the smartboard and the back of the room, they would be the first A section people. And then the kids facing the side of the room would be the second A section people. So the first A section people would go in and out like this. Knock the cymbals, do-oh-do. They'd go back. Knock the cymbals, do-oh-do. Then the second group would go. Knock the cymbals, do-oh-do. Hello Susan Brown. And everyone would clap after Susan Brown. For verse 2, all the kids have to do is replace the word knock the cymbals with the words right hand crossed. So they're all going to put their right hand in the center, and then I say, imagine you're a bird flying way up in the sky looking down at your hands. What would you see? And it takes them a while to kind of transport their brains up to look down, and they realize that their hands are actually making a cross. So right hand cross, they're going to be marching clockwise in the circle like this. Right hand cross, do-oh-do, right hand cross, do-oh-do. And by the time they're starting their second A section, they should be back in their spot for another lap around the circle. Right hand cross, do-oh-do, hello Susan Brown. Verse 3 is very, very easy for them. All they have to do is flip their hands. So instead of the right hand, they put their left hand in, but they might wind up wanting to go the same way around the circle, and they're going to want to start to go backwards. Make sure to remind them if their left hand goes in, they're going counterclockwise. They're going the other way around the circle. Left hand cross, do-oh-do, like that. The final verse goes like this, skip around, do-oh-do. So the kids are able to skip around anywhere they want in the room, creating their own path. And by Susan Brown, for that final clap, they need to arrive back to their home spot to clap. Students know if they are crashing into people or anything like that, they just don't get to play. They need to pre-plan their route so that they are not crashing into each other using their peripheral vision. That does it for our song, Knock the Cymbals. Now, there's a big, awesome next extra part to this to make it really super challenging and fun for your kiddos. Be sure to check that out in the Teacher Tips and Tricks video of Knock the Cymbals. And as always, please comment, suggest, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.